What if your lack of discipline in the gym is the same reason you keep relapsing to porn? What if this is not about a lust problem, but a problem about your identity, your habits, and the way that you're showing up as a man? You see, too many men are trying to fix an internal problem while ignoring the external shell that they live in every single day. Let's be real. If you're walking around ashamed of your body, if you're soft, lethargic, and undisciplined physically, you don't stand a chance at building long-term freedom from this addiction. Brother, in today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to walk you through why getting fit, jacked, and respected isn't optional in your recovery. It must be the foundation that rebuilds every single area of your life. Welcome to The Rebuilt Man. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of The Rebuilt Man and host of this podcast here. If you are new to these episodes, brother, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us on YouTube, turn those post notifications on because we are dropping episodes 3 times a week. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to share with you an invitation for you over the next 7 days to begin to reclaim control of your life, rebuild your body, and rewire your brain. But this isn't just about looking good. This is about regaining control over your body, over your mind, and over your behavior. Because freedom from porn doesn't come from shame or willpower. It comes from building you into the man that you were born and created to be. So let's get into the 7 reasons why transforming your body is essential for you in conquering this porn addiction. Number 1 is fitness gives you a real goal. And more importantly, real dopamine. We know that porn hijacks your dopamine pathways. Goal setting in fitness gives you reasons to wake up, to grind, to win every single day. You need goals that move you forward, not just attempts at avoiding your old unhealthy habits. Many men seek out porn because they're not driven, they're not motivated, they're not chasing becoming a better version of themselves. And having daily structure and accountability in your fitness, in your diet, in your routines, in your habits. Every single one of those check boxes will be release of healthy amounts of the right type of dopamine that we're seeking. So we don't need to chase these false pleasures. Number 2 here, discipline in the gym equates to discipline in your recovery and transformation. You'll never rise to the level of your motivation. What you're going to do is you're going to fall to the level of your training. And if you're not training every single day, you're not strengthening that muscle. If you can't control what you put into your mouth with your food, if you can't control what you do with your body and your movement, you won't be able to control what you do with your mind and your urges. Daily discipline is the muscle of freedom, and it must be trained consistently, regularly, and with an actionable plan. Number 3 here, lifting weights, training, physical outputs helps you manage stress and your emotions. Most of you guys are relapsing because you don't know how to regulate your emotions and your stress. The gym becomes a place of controlled suffering. It faces you to teach discomfort head on, day in, day out. Do the hard thing. Lifting equals therapy for men that refuse to sit on a couch, whine, and wallow in pity and regrets. It'll help you learn to regulate your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions. It'll give you releases of healthy neurochemicals. Number 3 here, lifting weights is going to become your new therapy. Number 4 here is you're going to think clearer. You're going to think faster. You're going to feel sharper. Clean food, deep sleep, hard training equals a clear mind and a clear brain. We all know that porn fog is real. The fogginess, the haziness, the fatigue that comes with constant consumption of pornography, fitness, and training is going to cut right through that. A sharper mind, a sharper body allows you to make sharper, healthier decisions. You struggle with doing the right things because you're trying to operate from a place of fog and fatigue. You need to think clearer, faster, sharper, stronger. And the pathway to doing that is getting your fat ass in shape. Number 5 here is you're going to normalize having healthy high testosterone and what equates to masculine energy. We know that porn lowers testosterone. Well, so does being fat, lazy, and eating processed trash. Lifting heavy, eating clean, sleeping consistently will equate to hormonal regulation. This is not bro science, brother. This is biology. Low testosterone equals to you having low self-leadership. You want to feel stronger? You want to feel more confident? You want to feel more like a man? Get out from behind the screen playing with yourself and step into the gym and begin to build yourself up physically, mentally, and emotionally. Number 5 here is porn is going to help drive up your healthy levels of hormones and testosterone. Number 6 here is you're going to sleep better, exceptionally better, without the need to quote unquote wind down with porn. So many men I know use porn to fall asleep because they haven't exerted themselves throughout the day. They sit there restless, lay there restless, wondering why they can't fall asleep. Exhaust your body physically, and your nervous system will let go at night. Sleep is where your transformation will be locked in. You'll be required, if you're set to wake up the next day and hit the gym hard, to make sure that you prioritize your evening routines. This is oftentimes one of the most untalked about subjects in this recovery and transformation space, is the importance of having healthy sleep hygienes and healthy sleep protocols. The first step to doing that is being tired at the end of the day. Number 7 here is you're going to rebuild your confidence from the mirror and the inside out. You're never going to believe in your ability to radically get free until you start to keep the promises that you make to yourself. Confidence isn't going to be found in a book, in a podcast, underneath something else. It's going to be found in you earning it day in and day out through sweat equity, through reps, through stopping saying no to the comfort. When you begin to love the man that's looking back at you in the mirror, porn's going to start to lose its grip over you. You're a slave right now because you don't see yourself as a conqueror. You want to build that confidence up. You want to become a man that you're proud of. You want to become a man that you respect. Start prioritizing your physical health and fitness. Brother, we know that porn is a passive action. Men use it to escape. Fitness training, building yourself up, though, becomes active. It's about engagement. It's about intention. It's the literal opposite way of living than consuming. You're creating a body, you're creating a man, you're creating yourself into somebody that you can respect and be proud of. And ask yourself right now, what kind of man are you becoming? And how do you begin to take control of that? Every rep is a vote for your future self. You're either becoming the man that God has called and created you to be, or you're becoming the one that the world wants to keep you weak. For the men that are fathers and leaders in running organizations, fitness will make you a better leader. You'll have more respect. Your family doesn't need another relapse. They need a man who leads with action, leads with control, and not with shame. So if you've been struggling to quit porn and you're not prioritizing your training, you're not training consistently, you're not eating clean, you're not building a body that you respect, this is where you must start. Inside the Rebuilt Man, we combine faith, fitness, recovery, real transformation, and real community and brotherhood. I told you I was going to extend an invitation for you. I want you to join us free for 7 days. You'll get access to our 7-day reset. You'll get access to the Frank Chris Fitness Training Vault. You'll get group calls. You'll get community. And you'll get access to the tools needed to rebuild your body, to rewire your brain, and to reclaim your freedom in life. If you go to school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life, you can click, you can join us for free for 7 days. You can spend the next 7 days being passive, being consuming, being caught up in guilt and shame, or you can begin to take the steps to win back control of your life. Brother, this isn't about stopping watching porn. It's about rebuilding yourself into the man that God wants you to be. Click the link down there below, school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. And I look forward to seeing you, brother, on the inside.